Here's how to structure your developer CV so it actually gets noticed.
Web development moves fast. Next.js for the front, Fast API, Python, CSS, best practices. This is the Developer Show.
If you're applying for developer jobs and not getting hired, your CV might be the reason. And here's how to structure your developer CV so it actually gets noticed, especially if you don't have a ton of experience. First, we need to start with a strong summary, not a life story, just 2 or 3 lines about what kind of developer you are, what kind of developer you want to be, and what you're focused on right now. Make it targeted. Secondly, you need to highlight your projects, not just jobs. Especially if you're a junior, your personal projects matter. Link to GitHub, explain what you build and why it matters, like you're pitching it to a teammate. Number 3, skills should be curated, not crammed. Don't list every tool you've ever Googled. Highlight what you've used in real projects and keep it clean. Number 4, keep it one page. Unless you've been in the game for years, one page is plenty. Make it easy to scan in under 15 seconds. And one more thing, design matters. Don't use fancy graphics, just good spacing, legible fonts, and no typos. Your CV isn't just a document, it's your first impression. Make it clear, relevant, and proud.